Hey everyone, Simster Tech here back with another quick video. And today I'm going to show you how to use this built-in feature from Windows called Storage Sense, which is a great tool for helping to automatically clean up and free up space on your system disk. So let's just jump right into it. So what you want to do is go to your search bar and then type the word storage. And you're going to select this option here that says Storage Settings. Once that's done, here in the storage tab, you'll want to toggle this option here to the on position. This is how you turn on Storage Sense. And once that's done, now we get to go into configuring the Storage Sense option, which is done by clicking this link here. All right, now that you have it on, you can schedule how often you want Storage Sense to run. You have a couple options here. You can run it on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, or you can run it whenever your disk space gets low. So I'll go ahead and schedule mine to run every week. Now you have some more options here. So you have the option to delete temporary files, which I will enable here. Next up, we have the option to delete files in your recycle bin that are over a certain amount of days. You can do 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, 60 days. For me, I'll do 14 days. And similarly, you have the same option for download. So any files that you download, any sort of software files and such that are in your downloads folder that are older than a day, 14 days, etc., they will be deleted as well. There is another option here for removing unused cloud content. I'm not going to really get into that so much. I'm more focused around files that are locally on my system disk, and that's pretty much it. You can schedule it to run now, or within a week's time it will run. So let's just go ahead and do the clean now. I don't think I'll have that many files to clean up, but we'll see. So I'll just give this a few more seconds here, and there you go. I've cleaned up a whopping 13.3 megabytes of disk space.